Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're opening up the digital toolbox to help you streamline your workflow. We want you to feel totally confident selecting and using the exact right application for your real-world tasks. Because honestly, whether that means formatting a standout job application, organizing community data for your barangay, or designing an eye-catching poster, knowing which tool to use and exactly how to deploy it strategically is an absolute game changer. Here is our roadmap for today. We're going to start with the digital toolbox, move into words and numbers, and then visuals and presentations. After that, we'll cover searching and sharing, digital safety, and finally, putting these tools in action.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the digital toolbox.
You know, it's really helpful to think of software applications just like physical tools in a toolbox. I mean, you wouldn't use a hammer to turn a screw, right? So you definitely shouldn't use the wrong app to build a resume. Let me ask you, which tool is best for organizing numbers and creating a chart? If you're thinking of a specific software right now, hold on to that thought. Recognizing the right digital tool for a specific problem is quite literally step one in optimizing your workflow.
To make the vast digital world a bit more manageable, we can map out our entire inventory. Notice how connecting an app's general interface directly to its specific purpose simplifies things immensely. By breaking it down like this, it becomes crystal clear that writing, calculating, reporting, or designing all require entirely distinct digital environments to be done efficiently.
Moving right along to Section 2, Words and Numbers.
Let's talk about the word processing tool. This is your optimal environment for crafting a professional job application letter or a really standout one-page resume. Its core features, like custom typography, strategic alignment, and precise line spacing, are built specifically to make big blocks of text highly readable and structurally clean. When your ultimate goal is flawless professional text presentation, this is absolutely your go-to tool.
But on the flip side, what if you need to organize demographic data like your barangay's population stats? Well, a word processor is just going to slow you down. For this, a spreadsheet is your absolute best friend. You can leverage its grid of cells and rows to keep data perfectly aligned, punch in some simple formulas to calculate totals instantly, and generate clear, accurate charts in just a few clicks. Spreadsheets do all the heavy mathematical lifting for you, which prevents costly errors and saves you hours of manual formatting.
Section 3, Visuals and Presentations. Okay, it is actually incredibly easy to confuse these two categories, but here's a great rule of thumb to remember. Use a presentation tool when you are reporting a topic across multiple slides to an audience. It really helps dictate the pace and sequential flow of your information. But you'll want to use an online design tool when you're creating a single-page output. Think flyers, community announcements, or invitations. These design tools offer targeted templates that make your single-page graphics really pop, completely skipping the need for a graphic design background.
Now for Section 4, Searching and Sharing.
Once you've created your document or poster, you need to manage it. And when it comes to managing outputs, cloud storage is non-negotiable. It securely houses your files online, completely eliminating the archaic need for physical flash drives. The real advantage here is seamless collaboration and submission. You simply upload your work, set your precise access permissions, and generate a shareable link in a matter of seconds. It is the literal definition of efficiency.
Up next is Section 5, Digital Safety and Ethics.
Now that we know which tools to use, we definitely need to talk about digital citizenship, because your online actions have very real-world impacts. So, never copy information or images without getting proper permission and giving credit. Always protect your privacy by keeping personal information secure and off the public radar. And here's a critical habit for any shared workspace or device. Always double-check that your files are saved and explicitly log out of your accounts. You've got to protect your data.
And finally, Section 6, Tools in Action.
Knowing the theory is great, right? But getting your hands on the keyboard is what actually matters. If you ever feel a bit of tech anxiety, this From Watch to Do procedure is a foolproof method for mastering a new application quickly. First, watch a quick demonstration. Second, identify the specific interface features you need. Third, dive in and practice. Fourth, don't hesitate to ask for help if you stall out. And fifth, this is a massive professional habit. Always save your output with a clear, descriptive file name so it's instantly retrievable later.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a final thought. The true power of these applications isn't really in the software itself. It's entirely in what you build with them. Whether that's crafting the perfect resume to land that next job, building a robust budget table to help your family, or designing an engaging announcement for your community, the exact right tool is waiting for you. So, how will you use digital tools to support your personal goals or community needs today? Thanks so much for joining me and keep exploring.